So what's up? We're here na sa Mugis Pumagas. So pupuntahan lang natin yung off-road meetup place, di ba?
Hi guys.
Sir Jamil, ayan o, kasama natin Sir Jamil. Yes, sir. So gamit natin yung sasakyan ni Sir Blake. Ayan, o. So hinira muna natin for today's vlog. Alright. Nag-enjoy tayo po na. Okay.
First saw that bikini top on her. She's popping right out of the South Georgia water doll. Oh, good Lord, she had them long tail legs. Couldn't help myself, so I walked up and said, baby, you a song. You make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle of every little farm town. With you in this brand new Chevy with a lift kit, would look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. So baby, you a song. You make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise.
So mag-video tayo maagas. Pero before that, maghugas muna tayo.
Maghugas daw si Sir Gas. Kasi na-prodo ang kanyang ima. Andito naman yung si Walter.
Madumi yung kuwan natin, yung ima natin.
Oo nga.
May kuwan dyan, unas ba?
Di ko alam. Baka nandito. Ayan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Kalugong.
Magkuman daw kami. Mag-ayayam.
Sila yung nag-ayab eh.
Pero hindi natin lalaro itong maagas.
I-service lang.
Okay, service lang muna natin. Mag-video lang para may service tayong papunta dito. Sa bundok ba?
Bundok ng Trinidad.
Oo. Kitang-kita yung view ba? Let's go!
Go!
Timer!
Timer. Wait lang. Pero gagaling.
Naka-4 tayo, naka 4x2.
Pero may 4x4 mamaya.
What?
Diretsong.
Wow, tingnan nyo naman yung view dyan, oh.
Uy, tawang na Trinidad.
Grabe. Ang ganda, oh. Tapos yung train natin.
At kitang-kita yung bagyo. Dito. Ano yung kakay siya? Nandito na tayo mga guys. Nandito na tayo. Dabagyo Bingkit.
So ito daw yung backyard ni Juan, Boss Jeramin. Yes sir. Parang nag-enjoy kayo Juan ah. Nag-enjoy kayo sa Baska.
Oo.
So ito si backyard master oh. Boss Jeramin. So ito yung backyard master natin dito, Jeramin. Ano ay sir?
Kuya.
Maganda pala tong backyard mo ah.
Oy!
Playground oh, off-road playground. Oh, tingnan nyo magas, halos lahat dito magas is Mitsubishi engine. Mitsubishi engine pumagas. 4056. Pero to Toyota pumagas, Toyota Land Cruiser. Hop, kuya. Naka-ulti rin. Huwag gawin pagbuluan. Yan. Bato. Yatas mo lang, atas bulo ang mga Jay. Willow. Sige, Jumil. That's wild, man. That's wild. So we have here our Space Gear Pumagas. Grabe, ngayon lang natin ito makikita and ma-feature dito. Oh. Nice! Mitsubishi Space Gear. Alayin natin yung driver. 10 seconds. Yay! Grabe. Van racing here at Mount Kalugong. Ayan po. Dito. Wow! Nice!
Let me tell you about the sad man. Shut up and let me see your jazz hands. Or never when you were a man. Thought you was bad man. And hold the body with a gas can. You see the animal. You run the company. Like a candidate. I think we'd rather backbite in your information. Blowing out a rain. Perfect secretary. Keep your apology. Detonation. And right here, right now, all the way in Battery City, the little children raise their open filthy ponds like tiny daggers of forever. And all the
So here we are at Mount Kalugong. So thank you kay Sir Jun Pumagas, yung may-ari dito ng yung may-ari dito sa Lotento Pumagas. So thank you very much sa'yo, sir. So paggamit dito sa lahat mong napakaganda. Kasama natin yung mga Pajero boys. Yeah, yes sir, Matt Pumagas. Come on, girl. Hello, sir.
Just like a sleeper cell. I'd rather cut a hell than be in